Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the second part in the IMDb movie review analysis. So let me continue this problem statement. So it says in the first part we had done a few explorations. Now this contains HTML tags, punctuation, inconsistent capitalization, and many common words like the, is, which is which doesn't give us proper insights into telling whether the dataset is like if the review is positive or negative. So these common words are called stop words. So we'll be removing that and let's see the steps what we'll be doing. The first is loading. Again, then we'll be removing HTML tags, converting everything into lowercase, removing punctuation marks, and removing common stop words. Now we'll clean the data set and store it into a new file. So let me jump into the code. So the code says import pandas as PD, import regular expression, and from nltk.corpus import stop words, and then import nltk. nltk is natural language toolkit. Okay, so first basically is the basic thing. We'll be setting up NLTK. So how do we do that? First, we have to download for the NLTK stop words list. Now, we said we'll try that stop words is we create a set of the stop words that is in English, and if it is not there, then we download it. Then we download and then we then we do the same thing. Criteria that English is because all the movie reviews are in English. Now let's see the first function, that is clean text. So here we are doing several things. We'll see one by one. The first thing is removing HTML tags. So colon, dot, and all such things we are removing. That is HTML tags we are removing, and the bracket, everything. Now we'll convert everything into lowercase. Now we'll remove the non-alphabetic characters. If there is any numbers or any character that is not alphabet, so we'll be removing that. That is of no use to us. And then we'll be splitting the words. Then when there are several words, we'll be splitting the words into each individual word. Now, what do? We have to first find the stop words. So we'll be iterating it through words, saying if it is not stop word, then we continue. If it is stop word, then we remove it. Now, we'll be joining all the words back into a single string after the stop words is removed. So let me run this and show. Since I didn't have the NLTK data, it is downloading. Now, yeah, it is downloaded and done. So now I'll close this, stop running. Now let us see the next function, that is the main function. In this we have two things. One is input file, one is output file. Input file is whatever we have, output file is whatever we are going to convert that input file into. Now we'll be printing loading data from input file, and then we'll be trying to read the input file, that is read the CSV file, whatever is there. If it is not read, then we say dataset is not found and please download it and place it in the correct directory. Okay, so now this part is done. Now the next part says applying text cleaning function to all reviews. Now we'll be applying the clean text function, whatever we have done here, clean text, we'll be applying this to the entire dataset, and now we'll be storing it in a clean review. Now the final dataset should contain clean review and sentiment. Now we had review and sentiment, now it should be clean review and sentiment. Now after this we have to store everything in the new output file, that is whatever we gave here, that is clean imdb dataset.csv. we'll be storing it there. So this part is for saving in the new IMDb clean dataset. Now after this we display dataset cleaning process complete and it has saved that success message. Now let me run this and show it to you. The program is done. So it is loading dataset from the existing one, and now it should apply clean text functions to all the reviews, and it should be clean review and sentiment. Okay, so it says clean data saved to clean imdb dataset.csv. Now I'll check the file. Yeah, here we see cleaned imdb dataset.csv. So this is the existing one. This was the previous one. This is the existing one. So yeah. So let me submit this. Right, so it is successfully accepted, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. I'll finish this program in the next video, and if you want to try this program on your own, then head to the CodeChef platform right now and give this a try. It is easy, and that's it. Thank you.